Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. This is the KCC 17 Colorado Craft Company super sponsor hop. So Colorado Craft Company is a super sponsor for Kendra's Card Challenge 17, and the design team members, some of the design team members have received some goodies from Colorado Craft Company that we will be playing with today. And there is a playlist in the description box below where you can find, it'll take you to all the videos that are in the hop, so you can just kind of watch them all together. So from Colorado Craft Company, I got the Gingerbread House stamp set. So like a fun, cute little Christmas stamp set. It's got the little mice. And then I got snoozing kitties. So it's just two kitties in bed. And the sentiment is hit, snooze, stretch, sleep, repeat. Then there is the Summertime Birthday stamp set, which has some general birthday sentiments, like celebrating you, hope your birthday is a big splash, sending you sunshine kisses and birthday wishes. I feel like you could use those for a birthday any time of the year, but then it also has like happy summertime birthday to you, and then some other summer sentiments. So I feel like this one can be used more than just in summer. And then there's this gorgeous stamp set, which is Dear Friend Robin, with this big robin and a couple branches, and then some sweet sentiments. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Hello, dear friend. So for my card today, I am going to be focusing on the Summertime Birthday stamp set. And we're going to be using a sketch from KCC 17 to make our birthday card. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off by stamping the large image that has the girl holding the beach ball in front of the pool. I'm going to stamp it first so I can set it aside and give it plenty of time to dry, because I'm going to try my hand at watercoloring today. So while I'm doing this, I just wanted to let you know a little bit more about Kendra's card challenges if you are new around here. So each quarter, Cards by Kendra puts out a cutting guide and sketches in a PDF document. And that document helps you turn 6 by 6 sheets of pattern paper into 15 cards. So once you get all the pieces cut up from the 6 by 6 pieces, then you can use the card sketches to put everything together fairly easily. And then if you choose to do like one card at a time, maybe, you don't have time to make all 15, or, big batch card making isn't your jam, then she does have individual, like the measurements on each individual sketch. So that's what I will be using today for my card. So then she also makes it easy if you just want to come in and make one card at a time. So I am using some watercolor pencils, and I haven't done this in a really long time. So I'm not going to speak a lot to my technique because I'm sure it's not great. So please don't judge my watercoloring skills here. I felt like this image would look good, like with the pool. I thought it would look good with kind of like the watery feel, like a softer watercolor image. So that's why I decided to go with this route. And I do have like watercolors, but I haven't used these pencils in a really long time. So I decided to pull them out and play with them a little bit. And so yeah, I'm not zoomed in or anything because I'm not trying to tell you how to watercolor. I am here to tell you, don't be afraid to try something because you're afraid you're not good at it. Because I am, I always talk about my coloring skills, but don't be afraid to color or paint just because you think you're not good or that it won't look good or won't be good enough, because I'm pretty sure that whoever you give the card to is going to think it's going to look amazing. So I decided to watercolor today and live a little on the edge. So down in the description box below, I said before that there's a link for the playlist There will also be links to Kendra's videos that talk about how you can find the PDF to download. You do have to join her Patreon site as a free member. You do have to join at least as a free member to be able to access the PDF. If you choose to support her channel even further, you do get a lot of other great perks. Kendra is super generous with all of her members, and you also get access to archived, like previous quarterly challenges. So that's kind of nice to have sometimes. You also have a chance to win prizes by submitting pictures of your cards. So you can take a photo of all 15 cards in one photo and upload that for a chance to win a prize. It used to be through Kendra's Facebook group, but now it is through her website. It's like an InLinkz party is actually how it's labeled, or what it's ran through, and it just makes it easier not only for Kendra to do the prize drawings, but it's also a fun way to see everyone's photos from that particular month in one spot. So like if you were to scan on the PDF, if you were to scan the QR code, it should take you to the page that has the InLinkz parties linked on it. And the current months, each month, only the current month's link will be active. So like this month, you would be able to only access, we're just starting March, so it would be March's party. And so you can upload a photo of all 15 cards once per month. So there's 1 month left in the quarter, so you can do it in March. And then starting next quarter, you can do it like once every month. So I am painstakingly trying to finish my watercoloring here. I have finished, and I am going to set that aside to dry really well. And I am going to work on sketch number 2 today. So I've set it aside. I know it kind of looks like in the video that I set it aside one moment and I'm working on it the next, but I did set it aside for a long time to thoroughly dry. I have my pieces cut for the card. I am using some pool water pattern paper and some flip-flops, just some random papers from my stash. I thought that would be fun and summery. So I'm going to use those as my background, and then I'm going to glue my stamped panel down. When I trimmed it down, it is a little bit bigger than what the sketch calls for, just because this was a large image. There weren't any sketches that had something quite this large, and I was afraid to trim any more off because then you would lose her feet, or I don't know. I just didn't know how well it would look if I cut part of her off. So. And technically part of the stamp name is Lovely Legs. I wouldn't want to cut off her lovely legs. So I am looking at where I can put my sentiment, and I end up going with kind of a 2-part sentiment. And so I'm going to put part of it off to the left there, and then we'll put the other part down kind of in the bottom right underneath the pool. And then I'm just using my Misty again just to get those in the right place and not mess up my card front at all. I talked about all the links and all the information down in the description, but I don't want to forget to let you know that there's also a chance to win a prize on this particular hop. So in the description, there's also a link to a giveaway form that you can fill out. You can fill it out once per video that you watch within this hop. So go through the playlist, watch everybody's video, and then you can fill out the form on everybody's video and have multiple chances to win a prize. And that is one of the nice things about the super sponsors that we have. Not only do they give product for the design team to work with and share, but they also donate prizes for participants to have a chance to win. So this particular prize is actually, I believe, a free month's Patreon membership for Cards by Kendra. So you can have access to some of those member perks. So there's a look at my final card. Again, please be sure to check out that playlist link below. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you all have a very crafty day.